This is a 2006 Honda Accord Hybrid, and it's Honda's interpretation of what a hybrid should be in 2006. So it's quite interesting, and it has a couple things that are not common anymore. A big surprise under the hood, and something that is coupled with it as well. And by the way, this car right here has original paint, original engine and transmission, and it has 250,000 miles.
Accord. And yeah, this car is not perfect, but who are we to say what is perfect? Look at yourself in the mirror. Each scratch on this golden warrior isn't a flaw. No, they are badges of experience. Battle scars that shout tales of survival. With a mileage that outstrips the distance to the moon. Seriously, look that up. This vehicle hasn't just circled the globe 10 times over. It has conquered every mile with the dignity and determination of a soul whose dreams remain unshattered. Behold the Honda Accord. Swathed in a gold that screams Y2K was just a joke. This isn't a color. It's a throwback to a time when blackberries were more than a fruit. They were the pinnacle of tech sophistication. Well, no, seriously, just take a look at the car. It actually looks pretty good. Yeah, it has blemishes and things. Look at it. It really looks Japanese. And that's a good thing.
So the big surprise under the hood, and what everyone is waiting for, this is not a 4-cylinder. It doesn't have direct injection. No, in 2006, Honda thought that it was a good idea to put a V6 3.0 liter engine, so almost 3,000 cubic centimeters, coupled with a mild assist system. They call it the integrated motor assist, and it produced 242 horsepower. So not only that, it's not only a V6 with a normal type of injection, but it also is coupled not with a DCT, no dual clutch here, no CVT, no continuously variable transmission here. It has a traditional 5-speed automatic torque converter transmission. And guess what? In this car, engine original, 250,000 miles. Transmission original, 250,000 miles. And the integrated motor assist is not working properly, but it's actually stopped working just after it had hit 200,000 miles. And right now, even though it's not working, the battery seems to be in good shape and the car runs without any issue.
Let us try the door sound. Let's do it again. Not bad, that's pretty solid.
249,708 miles. IMA light for service, engine service, but it has been like that for over 50 to 70,000 miles. He doesn't know if it was 50 or 70,000 miles. He's the second owner of this car. It's not cracked, which is incredible. Oh. I swear this was working. Or it is working actually. There it goes. They work. una sorpresa. Esto funciona. Apostaba a que ustedes pensaban que no funcionaba el sunroof, pero funciona perfectamente.
Alright, let's take a look at the back seat. Materials carry over to the back. Hard plastics at the bottom. One thing that I noticed is that it has pockets behind each one of the seats in the front, which is nice. Seat is very comfortable. There are no vents here in the back. And the armrest is right here. It has one normal standard cup holder and a small one that is kind of useless.
It actually feels good. Transmission is engaging properly. Sometimes it kind of stutters a little bit. Brakes are a little bit noisy, but they do their job. Under fast acceleration, the car feels pretty good. Look at that. It has good pickup. 0 to 60 happens in 8.2 seconds, so 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 8.3 seconds. Start here. Steering wheel is kind of light. It doesn't have too much feel, but it's direct. Yeah. I'm gonna check the brakes again. Transmission is doing a good job, even though the owner reports that it kind of hesitates a little bit every now and then. And you can see the brakes needing some service. But overall, the car feels pretty good and pretty solid. Very well made. Not too much sound coming from the outside. I think the tires work very well. I like it. It's kind of fun to drive.
This car has 11.2 cubic feet capacity in the cargo area, which is down from 14 in the non-hybrid version. Those numbers are 318 liters and 400 liters.
So if you're looking for a car that is reliable, indestructible, bulletproof, here is the Honda Accord Hybrid with the V6. It's not only for people that want to save money on gas. It is fuel efficient, but not as fuel efficient as the competitors like the Toyota Camry, Hyundai Sonata. But at the same time, this is more fun to drive. It looks really good for the age. Come on, by the time we're recording this video, this car is 17 years old. It looks nice, original paint, original transmission, original engine, and 250,000 miles. This is a perfect car for persons that is doing Uber Eats, some kind of delivery app, person that is trying to go to college, first car owner, and highly recommended. It's fun, drives nice, and it's extremely reliable and cheap. What is not to love from this car? I think it is fantastic and highly recommended. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is very important for YouTube algorithm. I think that together we can make this possible. We can grow this channel. The feedback has been tremendous, and I like doing these different type of videos, not with cars that you can normally find everywhere. Check out all the other videos that we have with the BMW Z4 E85, the Hyundai Tiburon, which is one of the top videos for that particular model in the entire YouTube. So check those out. I will be coming back with more videos and very often, and it cannot be done without you. So don't forget, like, subscribe. If by the time that you're subscribing and liking these videos you also feel like you want to help us, grow a little bit faster, I will provide a link so you can help us as well. But so far, thank you for watching and goodbye.